Is DevOps really dead? Let me guess. You saw this headline somewhere. Maybe on LinkedIn, maybe on YouTube, maybe in a comment that sounded very confident. DevOps is over. AI killed DevOps. No one needs DevOps engineers anymore. That sounds crazy, especially if you work in IT. So today, let's slow down a bit. No panic, no hype, no clickbait. Just a clear explanation in simple language. My name is Dmitry. I have been working in IT for more than 10 years. I started in support. I worked with cloud. I worked with automation, and I worked with DevOps as well. And I hear this question all the time. Is DevOps dead? Short answer, no. Long answer, it is actually very interesting. So stay with me. First, let's clear one thing up. DevOps was never just one job. It was never just writing YAML files. It was never just CI/CD pipelines. It was never just fixing servers at night. DevOps is a way of working. It is how teams build, deploy, and run software together without breaking everything every Friday. Yes, that part is important. So why does DevOps feel different today? Because the tool changed. And now AI entered the picture. A few years ago, DevOps engineers did a lot of manual work, checking logs, restarting services, writing the same scripts again and again, responding to alerts at 3 in the morning. That work still exists. But now AI can do a lot of it faster. AI can scan log in a second. AI can detect patterns. AI can reduce alert noise. AI can suggest fixes. And companies started asking a new question. Not who can run commands, but who can design a system that runs itself. This is a big shift. AI is not replacing DevOps engineers. AI is replacing repetitive DevOps work, and that pushes DevOps to a higher level. Before, DevOps was often reactive. Something breaks, you fix it. Today, DevOps is more proactive. You design systems that prevent problems. You build automation that improves our time. You create platforms that guide developers instead of blocking them. AI helps with execution. Humans still make the decisions. This is also why job titles are changing. Instead of one DevOps roles, we now see more focused roles. Platform engineers build internal platforms. SRE focus on reliability and failure prevention. Cloud engineers design scalable infrastructure. Developers take more operational responsibility too. This is not DevOps die. This is DevOps spreading into other roles. Here is something important. AI is very good at doing tasks, but AI is better at understanding context. AI does not know business priorities. AI does not design architecture. AI does not choose trade-offs. AI does not know when not to automate. Engineers do. That is why DevOps thinking still matters. Let me give you a simple example. Before, a DevOps engineer deploys the apps, monitors dashboards, responds to alerts, fixes issue manually. Today, the system deploys itself, monitoring explains what is wrong, AI suggests a fix, and the engineers decides, is it safe? Will this scale? Does this fit our platform? That is not less work, that is smarter work. So when people say DevOps jobs are disappearing, what they really mean is companies no longer need people who only execute tasks. They need people who understand system, design workflows, connect tools together, build automation that lasts. That demand is growing. Now let's talk about careers. If you only learn tools, AI will catch up. But if you learn how systems work together, you become much harder to replace. Cloud basics, Linux basics, containers, networking, infrastructure as a code, CI/CD. You do not need to know everything. You just need to understand how it is connected. And then practice. Build things, break things, fix things. That is how real confidence is built. This is exactly why I created System Access. On this channel, I explain modern tech in a simple and practical way. No fear, no hype, no buzzwords. Just real explanation, real examples, and skills that actually matters. So no, DevOps is not dead. DevOps is evolving. And AI is not the end of the DevOps. AI is one of the main reasons DevOps is becoming more important. If this video helped you, please like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more practical tech content. Welcome to System Access.